Morning guys, and welcome to our first full day in Langkawi, Malaysia. We actually got here 2 days ago now, well the night before last, and we just went out, explored the local area, got some food, and yesterday the plan was to rent some mopeds or scooters, however you want to call them, and go and find a waterfall or a beach, but it took so long to find them in the end that our plans kind of got ruined. So today we're trying to make the most of it. It is a lovely day. We are staying in the crowded house hostel, which is surrounded by loads of trees, which is really nice. So today we've woken up early and we're actually going to go find a waterfall. So I'm going to switch to GoPro now and I'll catch you when we get there. So we finally made it to the area with all the waterfalls. It took quite a while to get here on the scooters, but some of the views from the scooter was absolutely amazing. I'm sure there's lots more to come when we get to Thailand, but right now I'm absolutely loving it. We've just got to walk up all these stairs at the moment. We're starting off with the 7 wells, and then we're going to come back down and check out the other waterfalls. I just can't wait to jump in and have a swim because it is roasting hot today. So we made it to the 7 wells and wow, was it worth the walk. The views here are absolutely incredible. There are nice little pools that you can sit in and swim, as you can see behind me, and it is the perfect weather for this. It is absolutely roasting hot. We're going to sit down, have a bit of a tan, and then definitely jump in the pool, but enjoy this B-roll of the surrounding area. I don't know if I'm ready for this. Good start. Just what I needed after that horribly long walk to get here.
I'm just sliding down. I'm just sliding down. I can't make it. Let's see if I can push myself up.
Louis, you can do it, mate.
No. It's too slippery. I'm gonna go over there. I can do it there. Alright, I got this,
He's done it. Congratulations, Louis. Do you dare go into that one?
I'll get in there.
Is there?
Yeah, you see little fish down there.
Oh yeah. Go on then.
Oh yeah, look. It's like nothing to it.
The rocks are super slippery. Yeah. Classic me, the first time I try and get in, I just fall on my ass. Yeah. So yeah, we got to be careful we don't seriously injure ourselves. So we've left the 7 wells now. that was a lot of fun. Apart from slipping on my ass the first time I tried to get into the water, that was really nice. The weather was extremely hot, so sitting in those pools was nice and refreshing. However, they were very, very, very slippery. I think we've come back with a few minor wounds. What do you reckon, Louis? What do you think of the Seven Wells?
Man, no, that was wicked. Like loads of little pools just chilling. They're all like not cold, but like not warm, so they wake you up a little bit. But yeah, it's very slippery. I like smashed my toe on some rock under the water, but yeah, we good.
So I wasn't lying when I said that the Seven Wells were beautiful, but this waterfall is next level. It is absolutely humongous. You can see it behind me there. And obviously there are some nice little pools down the bottom where we can swim, cool down and relax, because again the sun is absolutely blazing. But yeah, I'm just kind of speechless at this waterfall, to be honest. I've never seen anything like this in person, and it's definitely something you see in the magazines and pictures on the internet. So I think we've had our fair share of the waterfall and the Seven Wells for now. We're heading back down, and both of us are absolutely starving because we haven't eaten anything all day. All we've had is some canned coffee. So I think we're going to try and find some food now, maybe get a snack down here to see us out until we can get something properly, and then we're going to decide whether to head to another waterfall, which would be quite a drive away, or just head back to the hostel and see what we can do back there. So we decided to come back to the hostel instead of going on to another waterfall. We were both way too hungry and the sun was blazing down on us. So yeah, we still haven't found food because for some reason in Langkawi, nowhere opens until about 6 PM. So we were searching for absolutely ages, trying to find some food, and in the end we just gave up and we went to a corner store, basically, a little quickie mart, and got some snacks that's going to keep us going until later when all of the restaurants hopefully open at 6 o'clock. Maybe if we're lucky, if we eat soon enough and don't leave it too late, we might be able to catch the sunset on the beach to end off the day.